Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I am using the Athena palette from Bad Habit, and these shades are just beautiful, as you probably saw in the review that I did. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright, so my eyelids are primed. I use my Urban Decay primer potion, and then my eyebrows are done. I use my NYX micro brow pencil, and then the Madeline fibers. So today I'm going to be using this Athena palette from Bad Habit. I mentioned this in my Hush haul, and this palette is really pretty, and I thought I would do a tutorial with it. I have no idea what I want to do, so we're just gonna wing it. Alright, the first thing I really want to do is I want to set my eyes and like put down a first transition shade. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Purity, and I'm just going to sweep this in the crease and kind of on the lid to just set the concealer. I think I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is Valour, and I'm just going to pop this in the crease as well. Next up, I'm going to pick up a little bit of Valour and this shade right here, which is Truth. It's just like a taupey-ish kind of shade, and again, I'm just going to pop this all in the crease. Next, using the same brush, I'm just going to pick up Valour, Truth, and the shade right here, which is Clever, and I'm just going to pop all of this in the crease. Next up, for the lid, I think I'm just going to use this shade right here, which is Triumph. It's a really pretty color, and I'm just going to use my ring finger to apply it because I've noticed with these like shimmery shades and these Bad Habit palettes, that's just the best way to apply them. Next, I'm going to go in with a different blending brush. This is just one from a Naked palette, and I'm going to go back in with the shade Clever and pop this in the crease because I really want it to be a little darker than it is. I feel like it's a little too like warm and bright. I just want it to be a little deeper. Next, I'm just going to go in with my Sonia Kashuk blending brush to just blend everything out. So for my lash line, I really want to add a deeper brown because I don't want to add eyeliner. I'm going to mess it up. So I'm going to go in with Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette just to add to the lash line to give that effect of eyeliner. Alright, so I just finished up the rest of my face, and I actually ran a little bit of Valour, Truth, and Clever just underneath my lower lash line. I ran it about like a third of the way in. I just stopped it like there, so like that's about a third. So next I'm going to use my NYX Wonder Pencil in Light just to use on my waterline. So I just did my mascara off camera. I used my Monsieur Big from Lancome. I use this on the top lashes, and then on the bottom lashes, I used the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama. So for lips today, I'm using a lip product that I said I would never use again on my channel because I gave it a negative review, and that is the NYX Lip Lingerie. Now, I said I didn't like them and that I would never mention them again on my channel, but times have changed. I was watching a YouTuber, her name is Belle Jordan, and she was using this, and she said moisturize your lips with a chapstick. So I already had put a chapstick on way before I started filming. She said put that on, then put this on and dab it. I'll show you guys how I apply it. Dab it with your finger and then apply a gloss, and oh my god, was she right? It's so much more comfortable to wear when you do that little trick and stuff. So I'm going to show you how I wear it, and I'm going to be using Lace Detail, which is a really nice nude color, and of course I'm going to put my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline on top of that. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on what you want to see next, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!